Hi, Scratch Coder. We're going to take a look at drill one here and walk through it, see if we can come up with some tips, things like that. And really, we're going to walk all the way through it. All right, so let's open up. First thing I'm going to do is really open up to the challenge page or the drill page here that is linked from your D2L drill. And the first thing we see highlighted is that there are a couple of related examples. And we won't go through those examples, but those are just something that can give some tips and different ways to use Scratch, some blocks, if you will. And let's just look at how to download those. We'll just kind of download one of them. And they're changing color, changing costume. So let's take a look at that one there. And we can click here to download it, and then it says to do this operation. So let's first download it. Click it there, and we want to have a directory on our computer to work. I called it Grow 1 because this project, we are told that this project here is called Grow 1. Right here it tells us to call this project Grow 1. All right, so we want to do that. And let's just then drag that file that we downloaded into that project. And now we want to do what it tells us to do here, file, load from your computer in Scratch. So we have Scratch open here, file, load from your computer, it said. And this is the directory that we want to load, this directory here. We can copy it into a clipboard, paste it here, down here, and there we have the program. We can run it, and that's the program. And there's a little bit going on there. We can look at these, get some ideas. And there's another example as well here, right? There is the example of changing color. All right, so those two will come in handy for some ideas. Now let's take a look at what we have to do for Grow 1. The sprite is not, we're not picky on the sprite. Pick what you want for that, it says, or we can pick what we want. The expected program behavior is where we want to focus. And there's really just two behavior elements to this program. One is initially we want to set the default size, set the sprite to its default size, and then we want to grow it by 200. So this is a very simple program to get us started and thinking about get us rolling a bit. All right. Related references in the book. Here, there's some related references here. And let's take actually a look at there's a video here link that's going to help. I'm going to click that and we'll look at that really quickly. Grow 1. Click the green flag, just get started. The sprite goes to the center, at coordinate 0, 0. It changes to its default size. Once we click that, click the sprite, it's going to grow. And it grows. That's all it is. It just grows by 200 on each click. All right, so we'll talk to you next time. Close that. All right, so let's give that a shot. Open up Sprite again here and go into our create area. All right, now remember our project was called Grow 1, so I'm going to go to C project page up here on the top middle. Click there, Grow 1. Then C inside takes us back to the project. All right, again, the C project page right there, and then you can edit the title, and C inside takes us back here. So we usually want to start our programs out with an event, click the event, and then like to say the program is started. Just kind of announce that things are rolling. Program started. Okay, we're broadcasting that. I'm going to get rid of that sprite, going to add, just going to make it a simple ball. It seems to grow pretty good. I'm going to put this in the approximate center. Didn't say we had to, but make it work a little bit better. All right, so, and actually I've got to do that and put this in again because I deleted the other sprite, so the programs were lost. So again, broadcast message, and the message is program started. All right, so when we receive the program started message, we want to do something. We don't know what yet, but we want, what does it say? It says we want to set the size. I think it said behavior set to its initial size. Let's do that actually first thing then. Let's set it to its initial size. And size here, we would look around, that would probably be under looks, right? If we look something related to size. Default size would probably be 100%, right? If it's a default size, 50%, it'd be half its size and such. So we'll leave that at 100%. All right, and then all it says after that is that we want, when that sprite is clicked, it should grow by 200. All right, so let's go back to the program. When the sprite is clicked, so that sounds like an event when we're saying when something, right? When the flag is clicked, when. Okay, so when this sprite is clicked, we want it to grow by 200. So again, that's a looks thing, that grow. Let's go back here, or the size, I should say. All right, so change size by 10. It told us to change size by 200. So let's change that to 200. And let's see what we now, oops, a little too much there, 200. Let's see what we have. All right, going to click the green flag and then just going to click that, and it's just going to grow it by 200 each time. And that's it. Just a little program to get a few things started. That's what this is about. So this is kind of a introductory video for drill 1 to help us get rolling. We'll talk to you next time and enjoy. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.